So this was shared with me so I can share it with you. This is a bay light. This works for your shed or your garage. We have here the instruction manual. Here is the actual light. You can see there are a lot of LEDs. This is an electric powered light. It is not solar. And it is a set of lights. It includes a total of 6 lights in here. They're all well packed with this foam in between them, so they should arrive safely. And each of them has a cord here, little hooks that you can hang them from your ceiling. If you have some sort of a hook from your ceiling, you could just snap these right into place. Put these over here. We'll get this open so you can see what they look like. So there's your first one, and you see there's the hole that you can put the hook into. There's also wire that it goes around, and I do have an extension cord here that we can see the actual light looks like. You can see that is a nice bright light. Look at all that. There's the whole way out the yard there, like that. Very nice. You can just hang that up and it's gonna cover a lot. So these are actually 6 individual lights, each with their own plug. So each one of these you'll hang from your ceiling or wherever you want to hang it from, and then they're each going to have their own plug. So 6 matching lights that can just be used of your bay. You can use them in your garage or wherever you need to get more light. They are 200 watts. They're an LED high bay light. So check this out if you're looking for 6 lights for your garage or shed or anywhere you will need to have electric running for this. So here you can see what these look like. We just have them strung up on a wire here for tonight, but this is what they'll look like, so they can hang in your shed or in your chicken house. However you want to do it, you can space them out however you need to. We have them somewhat together because of our power strip, but you can do however you need to make them work for your shed, or in this case we have them on our back porch. But they are super light. You can see they're very bright. See if I can get a different angle here. But there's all 6 lights, and that one there is hung up pretty well there. It's directly up and down, and then these are just quilted there, just however they hang. But we just have this part here goes into the back of the piece. It's like an eye ring there. It screws right into the base, and then this wire comes with it, and it has the clip there on the end. So we just looped it over the wire. Now in theory, the way this is supposed to work is that this should hang right on your ceiling through a hook of some sort, and then this here is the safety wire that would go, so if the hook gave way, it would catch on this. But since we're just doing these temporarily here to use in our back patio, we just set it up this way, and we just have them hanging from the wire. But of course, if you were doing a more permanent solution, you could hang this there, and then this would be your safety wire. So really nice lights, very bright. I don't know if you can see, they go out there to our tree line. They're really bright lights, and they, of course, we have them back here on our porch, so we could even just put them on the side of a chicken coop or shed, and you could literally see outside if you needed to. So very nice bright light right there, and they, of course, just a nice rounded light. So check them out if you're looking for something like this. Great light for a chicken house or shed, garage, workspace, whatever you want to do there. Definitely lights up our yard.